What's up, guys? Alex Allen Vlogs here, bringing you another video. Today this is the tour / welcome, not just the tour video. So pretty much, yeah, if you haven't, leave a like, subscribe, share this video, comment what I can do better. And so this is pretty much the bottom of our drive. We've got such a lovely scenery. I'm just gonna, this might be about 5 minutes of non-stop tours, but yeah, we've got that whole paddock down there. That's our first gate right there, and it goes all the way down to there. And then if you haven't subscribed to his channel, yeah, Jackson Forrester Vlogs or JTF Vlogs, and then up here we've got the tramps for flips and all that, and then we've got the whole bottom paddock down there pretty much, yeah. And I'm just gonna get up a bit into the back paddock up there, and yeah guys, back guys, and pretty much, yeah, this is the other animals pretty much getting fed. How can I get over without getting my shoes muddy? I got up here, but we've got all the sheep of a lamb right there. That's Rebecca. We've got the pigs following. That's Betty, our biggest pig, just about dropped the babies. We've got them, 2 pigs up there. One's a boar, one's a sow. We've got the lambs up there pretty much. And I'm just going to show you guys the piglets right now. Jackson's up there because I've got my school shoes on. Hashtag shouldn't be wearing them, but I'm just gonna, you'll see the piglets in a minute. I'll zoom in on them. They're actual just running around. There's piglets there, going around all up in there and all that. That's his mum coming up, and we've got lollipops here. The dog. I'm just, excuse me for walking around looking like a dick on this, but I'm not getting my school shoes muddy. So I'm just going to jump the fence here. We've got Lola up there chasing the piglets, but yeah. Fudge. I'm going to get my shoes so muddy, guys. There was such a fail. So I just jumped that and don't know where the actual piglets are, but this is that's the gate down there that I showed you from up around the paddock, and we've got all that land there, up there, and we've got all that from that thing, and we've got a side paddock up there, but pretty much, yeah, bit pig. So muddy. Shit. I've had so much of rain. Where are the piglets? Where?
Oh, I just saw them in my video. They'll be around.
Yeah, but so midget, the piglets.
They'll be cute. They'll be out there.
Found they're all in the chicken coop. Sheep. Rebecca, they're all in the chicken coop. Grab one. Shit, my shoes just got wrecked. Oh, haha, the piglets.
No, they're all out.
Oh, you see us, all these pigs.
Oh, damn. We tried to get one, guys. This is so funny, but they escaped our little hole.
Yeah, and this is where we hang them up there with the chain and the implement shed, and we've got,
this is our quad here.
2 dirt bikes and my quad.
The XR is Alex's bike, and the 8.
Shit, my shoes get muddy. Yeah, and then they are all our sheep right there. It's the lamb. We call it Text Junior.
That house down there is neighbour.
It's our nice neighbour's house.
He actually put me up a KFC and everything. It's real cool.
Yeah, and then there's that down paddock, and then I'm gonna stop here, but that's the layout fence. But behind that is a paddock, the whole same size of this, and it's our paddock.
We'll show that eventually when we get our motorbikes fixed
and
up.
when we get our motorbikes,
I saw the wheels off them.
Yeah, and we're gonna be doing a motorbike riding video very soon.
And I'll be getting the GoPro, so I won't have to record off my phone.
Oh, sheep chasing Lola.
Lol, such a scary cannon that she was just like protecting the
These
family.
shoes are literally soaking me. Like, I'm covered in mud. I don't even care right now about the mud. But we've got chickens galore. They just run around. That's going to be mine and Jackson's new room soon. The caravan.
Oh yeah, that caravan's a beast. We'll show you inside that. We'll go down, and
we won't show you today, but we'll show you on another vlog.
We'll show you like.
This is tour video. I'm sorry that my camera's a bit shaky. I just knocked it out of my hands. But that boar's coming. I literally absolutely hate that boar down there.
We tried to kill it.
Yeah, but we're getting really close to these piggles. If you, oh yeah, you see my face and stuff. But yeah, there's the piggles. Yeah, they're really cute. There's Betty. Betty's the good old piggy. Come here, Betty. Come here. Hey, Betty. Yeah, but Betty's a piggle. She's the oldest pig we've had. Yeah, we go hunting quite a bit, guys. I will try my hardest to try and get that. Where should I cross, Jackson? The pigs are so cute.
Probably just right here. It's not that muddy.
Shit, slipped over right there. He's in my little skid mark. Jackson convinced me to do this video. I'm like, nah. Oh shit.
Ooh, luckily it's.
I just want to keep on showing you guys our life. It's like, and we're also going to do slug gun shooting videos when we shoot our slug and all that. But I'm just going to take you back down here, guys, and we're going to show you the guinea pigs and pigs and all that. But they're the piggles right there. They're like the cutest things we've had so far.
It's pretty nice to live on.
I'm just going to have a quick moment and just zoom in on these fellas.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Like, them black and white ones are my favourite. We call him Lexus Jr. because her name's Lexus. Right there. That's Betty. And we call that one Billy, the boar.
Yeah, so
and then all them
like
black
that.
ones, all them black and white ones, we call them Lexus Juniors. But they're like a freight train. Follow them everywhere.
So I'm gonna make 2 parts of this, guys, because my camera cut out, so it might seem a bit weird, but I'm gonna make 2 parts of this video.
And we'll always get the pigs out, you guys, and show you like moments of us holding the pigs. And this is where they like sleep at night time.
Why does this pig pen have
So-
grass in it?
Yeah, we've got about. Oh yeah, we've got quite a lot, and then that's our veggie garden.
We'll show you the inside of it.
Yeah, we'll show you the inside of our caravan. We do.
Through the window.
It's getting fixed up for our bedroom. Then we've got all these. We've got guinea pigs.
Then we've got our beautiful little guinea pigs here. Lovely things.
Cute little things to cuddle when you're sad. But I'm gonna stop that video. I'm gonna get back to you guys
Down there, so.
after we should quickly show you around the farm.
Yeah.
Around the farm. We've got a fire barber down there. If Josh James, Kiwi Bushman, or Plays Tall Stories are watching this, using my favourite vlogging YouTube channels. And Sanga. Say hi to the vlog.
He can't speak English.
Can't speak English, he's Chinese. Just joking, that's our fish pond and that's it pretty much.
Yep.
Overview of the farm. I'm back, guys. I'm gonna add my new intro in this one, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video on a tour of my life and what I'll be vlogging on most of the time. If you haven't, leave a like, subscribe, share this video, subscribe to Jackson's channel, and see you later, guys.